Hello everyone, my name is Jared Peterson. I'm a program manager here at Telvent. It's my honor and privilege today to talk to you for a few moments about how our product team is using user voice in order to better receive feedback and suggestions from our user base. So what is User Voice? User Voice is a website that allows companies like Telvent to set up forums and then invite clients to those forums to give us feedback on what you would like to see improved or added to the various products. That feedback then goes directly into the product development team and is used to determine our product roadmap. So not only can you go in and suggest things that you want to see added or improved upon, but you can see what everybody else has suggested. And then you can look at all those suggestions and you can vote on the things that are most important to your organization. And you can submit a number of votes between 1 and 3 depending on how valuable that is to you. What this does then is it gives our product team direct access into the top 5 or 10 things that are affecting our user community the most. And we can use those things and put those into the product roadmap in order to provide better value for our customers. So what we're doing here at Telvent is we're setting up user voice forums for each one of our different products. So the responder feedback forum is the first one to get set up, and it is running. And if you had suggestions on how to improve responder, you would go to that one. If you had suggestions on how to improve ArcFM or Designer, you would go to those respective forums. So what I want to do today is I want to just do a quick demo of user voice, show you how to log in, show you what the website looks like, how to add a suggestion, how to search for suggestions, and how to vote on other things. And then as we start rolling these things out, then you would have seen what's coming, and hopefully you'll be able to jump right in and get started. So what we're looking at now is we're looking at the general page for Telvent User Voice, and I just got here by going to telvent.uservoice.com, and I see that I'm in the general forum. We're not currently monitoring the general forum because we're going to go ahead and create forums for each one of the different products. So what you want to do then is you want to go over and log in or sign up if you don't have an account already. So I'm going to log in, and the login is just done by email along with a password. So once you have your login, what you're going to see is you're going to be taken back to the general forum, but now on the right-hand side, I have access to the responder feedback forum as well as the ArcFM and extensions feedback forum. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the ArcFM and extensions feedback, and I'm brought into that forum. I see the welcome message. It has some information about this particular forum, and then I see all the ideas that are currently in user voice for ArcFM and its extensions. If I had a new suggestion, let's say that I wanted to make ArcFM, I would like ArcFM to be compatible on a Macintosh. Well, I can come in and what I first do is I would first search for this. So I might search on keywords, or I can just kind of type in what my suggestion is. But in this case, I'm looking for ArcFM, and I want it compatible with Macintosh. I can see now that I get a search, and I can see that someone's requested that ArcFM be compatible with ArcGIS 10, and that somebody has asked for needing an iPhone app. Neither of those is really what I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new idea. Now I have the ability to change the title if I want, so I might just say ArcFM should be compatible with Macintosh, and I'll just say that the description is make it work on Macs. And then I can decide how important this is to me. So I can spend 1 vote, meaning I kind of want it. 2, which I want it and it's kind of important. Or 3 is I just have to have it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 3 votes against this, and I'm going to categorize it in the ArcFM desktop category. And I'm going to go ahead and suggest it. And then we see the suggestion that was put in there. I'm going to go back to the feedback forum now, and I see that it's actually at the top of the list because not many things right now have votes on here. So there's 3 votes on this particular suggestion, and I can see that I put 3 votes against it as well. If I wanted to vote on something else, so I put 3 votes on that, I really would like an iPhone app as well. I can go ahead and I can put a vote on there. You see the vote changes to 2, and then I have 1 vote on there. If I wanted to add a comment onto one of these other ones, I could add a comment. Maybe I don't want to spend a vote, but I want to just say that I like this suggestion, so I can do that as well. I'll go ahead and put that post there, and as I go back, I can see now that there's a comment there. What I can see on the right-hand side is I can see how many votes in this forum I have left. So we're currently limiting votes to 10 votes per user, and then I can see, so I've had 10 votes. I put 3 on the compatible with Macintosh and 1 on iPhone app, so now I have 6, and then I can see which ideas I voted on so I can have easy access. I can also get access to the RSS feed, which you can put into any feed reader, and then I can contact Telvent Utilities Group if I have a question. Again, I can see the different forums that are out there, and I can see the different categories. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, is just a general overview of user voice. If you have any questions or comments on this particular implementation, you can go ahead and you can email us at uservoice@arcfmbuzz.com. Thank you.